I'm speaking quietly because I don't want to wake up my wife or my son. It's still really early here. Today's the day I actually wake up at 4 a.m. to get ready and make me some coffee because I've got 2.5 hour drive ahead of me to take the Corvette to the dealership to get the cluster replaced. Even though I'm not actually a morning person, this morning I wake up full of energy. I'm super excited to finally get the cluster fixed and the car fully ready. I have to drive that far because that's the dealership that had the exact Corvette I wanted when I bought it, and they are responsible to replace the cluster. Okay guys, so my plan for today is to drop off the car. While I'm there, I'll be editing yesterday's video so I can share it with you while I wait. It might be a long day, but I know it's gonna be an exciting one. Plus, I might get a chance to show you some other cool Corvettes or other cars they have over there. So let's fire up this car. It's pretty loud. It's gonna be louder soon. Clean and nice looking car. Guys, look what we found. I think that he's not really into the car community because he didn't say hi to another Corvette owner. So, or maybe, who knows, he's not having a good day, or maybe he's not in the mood. But, anyways, I don't want to say that because he's like an old guy. He didn't say hi, or at least look at the car. But it's what it is. I think when I get older, I'll be more enthusiastic about cars. Okay friends, something that I forgot to tell you is that beside the cluster that do this exactly, you see, so the car is running and look. So yeah, besides that, I just can control the volume here, but not right here, as you can see. And this one, you see? So yeah, this is basically the problem. Arrived in time. Oh, look at that. Guys, definitely we have to get the C8 to be in this channel. This car is sick, just like this. I love it. Well guys, everything turned out better than perfect. It was all super quick. I didn't even have time to edit the video I was gonna work on. They took about an hour and everything came out flawless, like new. The radio buttons, they work. I'm so excited because it feels amazing to finally have the car like fully functional. You remember that? Now it works. This one and this one too. And it's just perfect. If you enjoy coming along for this part of the journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. That helped me a lot, more than you think. And if you got ideas for what should I do next, the Corvette, drop them in the comments. There's a lot more coming soon, more builds, more story, more real moments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.